EOS is shaping up for a rally from $5.33 to $36, then 93, and eventually as high as $377. That's right, 377 or even greater. That's 69x returns right there. You heard that right. You can multiply your returns 69 times. So what are we looking at here? What's been going on recently? As with a lot of the other cryptos, we've had a pretty good microstructure here with the rallies. We had a low at about $3 back at the end of June 22nd-ish. We've had a first wave rally, second wave pullback, and we appear to have completed a full 5-wave structure that took us to a little peak just under $6 a couple days ago. We have since pulled back pretty vigorously into what I'm calling a wave 2. And from wave 2, we have a wave 3 target, much higher, of anywhere between $8.58 to $9.24. That's a pretty big return. So if you want to buy, it's a good time to buy right now, actually. We've pulled back in a wave 2. We're about to start rallying up. And again, we could get to $8.58 plus. So $8.58 all the way up to $9.24 relatively quickly if this is an explosive rally. Again, if you're doing dollar cost averaging, keep doing your thing. Good thing to keep moving on with. If you do have a really big lump sum, there is an alternate pattern here that we are actually still completing our 5-wave rally. This would be the top of wave 1 right around 643, 646, something like that. And if that's the case, we will have a deep retrace in our wave 2, which would take us down to about 460-ish potentially. There is a warning line right here. So 423, we really need to hold the 423. We should not see anything pull us back below that level. If the immediate blue pattern you see here is still is the motive pattern right now. That's what we're looking at. So again, good time to buy. We may not come back down to this level again if this pattern holds, even if we have a larger 1-wave rally and we come back in a bigger 2. Now, what about the crazy potentials I highlighted earlier? So if we look at that big picture, again, we have a really large blow off top way back when all the other cryptos rallied, May, June of 2018. Didn't quite have the same exact pattern. We start crashing early on EOS. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. We had a wave 2 bottom around March of 2020, right around $1.28. And we had a really nice 5-wave rally, follow a lot of the standard Fibonacci ratios, all the way up to about $16.28. And we had a pretty strong wave 2 crash, which was scary, but we crashed we pulled back to about the 61% retrace, which is standard. We went a little deeper, perfectly cool. And you can see the MACD went really low right down. So I'm going to zoom up on this a little bit. And we have this small rally that we have that we looked at earlier. Might be a smaller wave 1. From here, we got some resistances overhead. So our all-time high, which is right around the $15 mark, that's our first resistance we need to overcome if we rally. After that, $78 is another strong Fibonacci resistance. That's the 100% extension of the previous rally top we had in 2018. And then from there on, the possibilities are endless. We got resistances at $207, $377. If we make it out of there, $1,000 is not out of question. Okay, $1,000. I'm not even going to try getting the return percentage right now because even if we hit 377, again, that's a 69x return. So whatever price we're at right now, $5.35 times 69 gets us to that $377 mark. So just letting you guys know, already know the parameters we need to hold. Going to keep watching this along with a lot of the other cryptos, and I'll have other videos on other altcoins that are not as well known that also have colossal upside, a lot like EOS. Thank you for watching. Appreciate it.